Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on to share a couple cards that I made. All right, and this one you've probably seen in my little craft room tour, but we're going to get in and show you what I used to make these cards. All right, and then I'll give you a closer look in just one moment. All right, so um, right here I am using Happy Birthday, and this is from Jaded Blossom. And this is the Cuttlebug Charles embossing folder. I'm talking about this card here. I am using this die set here, as well as this die set here. And then also these nesting circles here. And it's always good to have a set of these in squares and in rectangles and even stars if you can get them, because they have so many different sizes of circles. Okay, and that is it for this card here. So let me just pull this up a little closer so you can see that. After I got it finished, because of the colors I chose, I thought it looked like a baby card. So who knows? It might be for a baby's birthday or something. I don't know. But anyways, really, really cute. I love how it turned out. And I wanted to make these colors pop by adding just that black circle back there. Really, really cute. I did finish off the inside. And it's just pretty basic. But I did finish it off. I added some diamond dots. Those are my favorite. Okay, so that's how I made that card using those items. And then for this one, right here, I am using My Creative Time, Happy Summer. And then these little ladybugs here came from Gina Marie, I do believe. Reverse confetti is where I got the popsicle. And then the squares, these little squares there, rounded squares, that came from Gina Marie as well. And I think that is it, besides some sequins that I added on there. And let's take a closer look at that. Really, really cute. And then this paper here came from Hobby Lobby. I really like that. All right, so those are the items I made so far within the last week. And then you can come back on Saturday because I'm going to do Saturday morning makes. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.